Good morning, class 12th. In the subject mathematics today, we will continue our chapter integration, and today I am discussing more solved questions on integration on the standard formula, which I also discussed some examples yesterday, and some more questions today on the formula integration e to the power x within bracket fx plus f dash x dx equal to e to the power x into fx plus c. So I have taken some more examples here. Question number 1, evaluate integration sin log x plus cos log x dx. So here, as you see, there is no e to the power x visible here in the question, which is the necessary condition. So first we will take the substitution, let log x equal to t, so that x equal to e to the power t into dx equal to e to the power t dt, and now your integration sin log x plus cos log x dx changes to integration e to the power t sin t plus cos t dt, and let ft equal to sin t, so f dash t is cos t, and therefore your integration reduces to e to the power t within bracket sin t plus cos t dt, which is of the form e to the power t into ft plus f dash t, as if fd is sin t, then f dash t is cos t, and therefore your answer is e to the power t into sin t plus c using that formula, and putting the value of t in the end, e to the power t is x sin log x plus c. Second question, evaluate integration e to the power x into x upon x plus 1 whole square. So here already we know it has to be done by the same formula, as we have e to the power x and then we have another function. So whenever you have such like functions, you have to always think of reducing it into a standard form. So for here reduction, we shall add 1 and subtract in the numerator, keeping e to the power x outside. As you can see clearly, within bracket I have written x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square into dx, and after that it is broken into two parts, x plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square, as e to the power x into 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square into dx. And now if we take fx equal to 1 upon x plus 1, then f dash x is minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square, and again it is reducible to same form, e to the power x fx plus f dash x dx, which is equal to e to the power x into fx, that is e to the power x upon x plus 1 plus c. Question number 3 is evaluate integration e to the power x into x square minus x plus 1 whole upon x square plus 1 whole cube into dx. So again, since e to the power x is outside, you can clearly see it has to be arranged also or reduced also into that form only. So you can write integration e to the power x within bracket x square plus 1 minus x upon x square plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2 into dx as e to the power x into 1 upon x square plus 1 raised to the power 1 by 2 minus x upon x square plus 1 raised to the power 3 by 2. And now if we see clearly, fx is 1 upon under root x square plus 1, then f dash x is minus x upon x square plus 1 whole to the power 3 by 2. You understand, f dash x is derivative of fx taken. So it is again of the same form, hence your answer is e to the power x upon square root x square plus 1 plus c. Applying the same formula, e to the power x fx plus f dash x dx equal to e to the power x into fx plus c. Question number 4, integrate e to the power x into x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square into dx. So we can write it as e to the power x into x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 whole square dx as e to the power x into plus 1 I have broken as minus 2 plus 1. So it becomes within bracket x square minus 1 plus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square into dx, and after simplifying you will get it e to the power x into within bracket x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square into dx. And now clearly, if fx is let x minus 1 upon x plus 1, then f dash x is 2 upon x plus 1 whole square. So your integration is again reducible to same form, e to the power x fx plus f dash x equal to e to the power x into fx plus c, and therefore you can see clearly your answer is e to the power x within bracket x minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. Now question number 5 I have written for your doing. Evaluate a part integration e to the power x into tan inverse x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx. B part x minus sin x upon 1 minus cos x into dx. C part dx upon 1 minus tan x. D part sin x minus a upon sin x into dx. Here I have given you some miscellaneous questions which you have to answer yourself, whatever I taught so far. And question number 5, all 4 parts you have to do it and show it to me.